Hello friends, today let us learn about nouns. We see many things around us and each thing has its own unique name. Nouns are called naming words. A noun is a word that identifies or names a person, place, thing, or an animal. Person: a mother, policeman, chef, and farmer. Place: school, playground, beach, zoo. Animal: cat, elephant, rabbit, lion. Thing: umbrella, car, volleyball, hat. Let's identify nouns in the following sentence. The sun shines brightly. In this sentence, sun is the noun. My dog likes to play with the ball. In this, we have two nouns, dog and ball. Dog is a name and ball is a thing. We saw a big elephant. In this sentence, elephant is a noun. The children are at the beach. We have two nouns in this sentence. Children is for person and beach is for place. Apples are delicious. Here, apples is the noun. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.